If you think international exchange isn't for you because of your background, or because you are disabled, or because you have additional learning needs, Tithe is especially designed for you. International learning and exchange builds our confidence, our independence, and our resilience. It opens our eyes to new ideas and new ways of thinking, and gives us new skills to carry us forward in our lives. But for too many, these opportunities to travel and learn have felt out of their reach. Here in Wales, we want to do things differently. Tithe is our unique international learning exchange programme made here in and for Wales. Working together with education providers of all kinds, we are breaking down barriers to international exchange and opening up opportunities for everyone. With the launch of this new strategy, we are refocusing our efforts on reaching those who have been underrepresented in the past. Now, of course, international exchange is a two-way street. So we are also inviting our friends from around the world to come and visit us here in Wales for learning exchanges. Inviting our international partners to Wales enriches our education system. It brings new perspectives and ideas. It helps us build and strengthen crucial relationships with our friends right around the world. We're on a mission here to create life-changing opportunities for every kind of learner in every part of Wales. And we want to invite you to come on this journey with us.